5 years out of office, Sarah Palin has proven she can still grab headlines for her often polarizing views. Until now, she's had no major media platform all her own to share those views, but that's all about to change.
Are you tired of the media filters? Well, I am. I always have been, so we're going to do something about it. I want to talk directly to you on our channel, on my terms.
Access to the Sarah Palin channel can be yours for just $9.95 a month. The online channel, which went live Sunday, gives subscribers a chance to hear Palin's political commentary and to interact with her directly through group video chats. Other features include a national debt clock and a countdown to President Obama's last day in the Oval Office. Palin, of course, hasn't shied away from the spotlight in recent years. She's a Fox News contributor, has penned a memoir, and hosted her own reality TV show. But the former VP candidate turned reality TV star will take on a different role in her new online channel, serving as executive editor, overseeing what's posted to the site. Variety reports the channel is modeled after The Blaze, the website conservative talk show host Glenn Beck launched back in 2011, which offers The Blaze TV to paid subscribers on Dish Network and other cable systems. Palin's channel is in partnership with Tap TV, an online video network co-founded by former chairman of NBC Universal Television Jeff Gaspin and former CNN exec John Klein. Capital New York, which broke the story back in March, noted Palin's huge built-in fan base probably appealed to Gaspin and Klein. Palin's large social media presence, 4 million Facebook fans, 1 million Twitter followers, is probably a big factor in Tap's recruitment of her. She may not have a daily radio or talk show, but she clearly has loyal fans. Despite that fan base, a majority of Americans would rather not hear from Palin anymore. A recent NBC News Wall Street Journal Annenberg poll found 54% of voters would like the former Alaska governor to be less outspoken. For Newsy, I'm Elizabeth Hagedorn. Multiple sources, a broader view.